Hello everyone. Many times we have to design such a part which consists of number of patterns like gear teeth, gasket holes, likewise. But draw these patterns one by one. It is very time consuming and boring process. So don't worry, SolidWorks provide us a command which help us to draw this pattern within a minute with the help of this linear sketch pattern or circular sketch pattern. Linear for linear sketch pattern and circular for circular patterns. In previous video we learned revolved boss base, extrude boss base, swept boss base and lofted boss base. If you are not visited that video, please visit, link is in I button. Before that, if you are visiting this channel for first time, so please like, comment and subscribe and also press the bell icon so you can get the latest notification about this channel. First of all, we have to select a rectangular. In between the rectangular, we have to draw a circle for reference purpose only. It is not mandatory. So go to the circular sketch pattern here and select this circular sketch pattern and select the entities to pattern. I am selecting this rectangular first, so you can see here a screen on screen the patterns are visible now. Yeah, you can see here 4 patterns are visible on screen. I am saving this. Okay, now again choose the circular. First line in left side is for select the entities to pattern. If you select one line, it is pattern one line. If you selecting 2 or 3 lines, you can see visible on screen. Likewise, you can pattern all these sketch. If you want to make this circle also, you can also pattern this circle like this. The first row is for select 2 entities here in left side. Second is for distance in x direction, distance of center point of reference circle in x direction. You can see here the radius of the reference point is increases in x direction here. And third row is for distance in y direction. Now we can see here like this, the distance of center point in y direction. If we increases like this, the reference point moves in y direction like this. You can clearly see on screen. Okay, and fourth row for first. Okay, 1 minute. I have to make this 0 first. Okay, third line for fourth line for degrees. In which degrees you want these patterns. I am selecting here 60 degree like this. In 90 degree or 60 degree, you can see here 4 patterns, and in 90 degree it is a limit. If you selected here 180 degree, it is draw this like this. You can see here clearly seen on screen. If you selected 270, 360, it will draw this pattern in 360 direction degree like this. If you want to draw this pattern in 90 degree, you can choose here any angle. Yeah, you can see here I'm increasing this angle only. The direction of points is move in clockwise direction like this. You can clearly see here. Okay, and below this line in fifth row we can choose here number of patterns. If you want to 4, 3, 6, any number of patterns you can draw here. You just have to put here value. And next line is indicate the angle like this. You can choose your angle for this radius for this reference circle. In y direction also. This is the angle for the center point of our sketch. In which angle you want to this reference point, center point. It has two options for angle and the length of radius. We can choose here any number of patterns in this any radius like this. You can choose here angle also and radius also like this. If I selected here 270 like this, 180 or 360, you can choose like this. You can also extrude this sketch by extrude command like this. You just have to select these entities to extrude. I am already explained all these extrude command in previous videos. If you not visited that videos, please visit. Link is in I button or description. I explained all these extrude, revolved, swept, lofted boss base in previous video. Please visit. I am providing here a complete course on SolidWorks. If you not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and get benefit from this. I am going to upload these videos step by step so you can learn more effectively and easily. Yeah, done this. Let's done this extrude. You can see here a pattern of this rectangular. If you want to learn this SolidWorks, you can follow me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, link is in description. So let's go for the linear sketch pattern. Again draw a rectangular and circle like this, and then go to the linear sketch pattern. Okay, 1 minute. I have to draw give here some dimension first like this. You can give it dimension, then linear sketch pattern. First of all, we have to select entities to pattern. So select rectangular, or you can choose one single line also. I am selecting all these lines. You can see here in yellow lines on screen. These are the patterns, and give here a dimension from the first line. Yeah, you can see here I am giving here a 110 as a dimension, and select here entities, number of entities. You can choose any number of entities like this. Yeah, you can see clearly visible on screen. Yeah, I'm deleting all these. For deleting all these, you just have to drag this mouse like this and select the delete button like this. Okay, again I'm selecting this all these line, and now we are going for angle. So first of all, I have to select this all these patterns and dimension, and go for the angle as a 45 degree. You can see here pattern in 45 degree. I have to just increase the distance for better understanding, so you can clearly visible on screen. Yeah, like this. You can make any pattern in any direction. I have to delete all this first for next. Wait a minute. Again go to the linear sketch pattern and select pattern. You can give any number of degrees here. 90 degree also. Increase the number of patterns as a 10 and give here a dimension 130. You can properly visible on screen. In yellow color there are some patterns. You can choose any number of degree here, 180, 270, 360. In any direction you can draw these patterns. It is a very simple process to make patterns. If you have some doubts in your mind, so you can ask me in comment box also. I definitely reply to you. And if you have any suggestion for my channel or SolidWorks, you can comment below in comment box. Here also direction 2. If you want to make this pattern in X and Y direction also, you can make this all these patterns. We are going to see all these in this video. First of all, I have to select in Y direction, X direction, and then Y direction. You can increase any number of this. You just have to put here number of patterns and angle and degrees, means difference between these patterns, length. You can see here you can choose 2 direction also, like this. It is a very simple process to make patterns. If you want to make it Y direction, you can make in Y direction. If you want to X direction, draw these patterns, you can draw in X direction. If you want to in both direction, if you want to draw these patterns, you can also draw this pattern in both direction. You just have to put here number of patterns and length between these patterns. If you want to draw this pattern in angle, you can give it angle also. Like this, you just have to select here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share.